name is Wes Butler. I'm with American Underwater Services. Today, we're clearing out the back of this inlet here, moving the sediment down to 5 foot because people are having problems getting landlocked on their boats. So we're just taking that sediment out because there's been an increase at it, so that way everybody can resume their boat docking. We're setting up the operation for the dredge. That way we can get started and moving it into the bags and get it out of here. These hoses, these are basically just the carrier hoses from the back of the dredge. And what they do is they just transport all of the mud and the sediment out to the bags for it to be bagged up and hauled off. The floats, those are just ballast to keep the hose up out of the water. That way it doesn't get on the bottom of the bed and get hung up whenever we're moving back and forth with the dredge. So the only thing that we're gonna run into problems is just how high the sediment is to start.
Maintenance dredging enhances the depth of boat slips and allows for better use. Many boaters are limited by tides and water depth as to when they can use their boats. American Underwater Services can help. Our environmentally friendly and labor-efficient dredging methods can increase the value of your waterfront property by deepening your water area with canal dredging, slip dredging, and dock dredging for better access. The aquatic engineers at American Underwater Services have developed a dredging and dewatering process that allows for economically and environmentally friendly dredging procedure.
Basically, you just use the auger head with the dredge, and what it does is it chews it up, pulls it through the pipe, sends it to the bag, and then with the polymer, it'll take all the water out of it. That way we can transport just the sediment out of here. Yeah, pretty much. Once it all gets set up and all the hard work gets out of the way, it's just like butter from there. It's just me, Joe, Lee, and Tanner this morning. Joe, he's one of the newer guys to our team. He's definitely a hardworking individual. Tanner's been here for a while as a manager. Definitely like the way that he works, very hardworking, and Lee is our project manager for this operation. Fantastic guy.
The process utilizes proprietary technology innovations with conservative marine equipment to provide a speedy process for removal of sediments around docks, lifts, and bridges in canals, ponds, lakes, and rivers. During the American Underwater Services process, the dredge material is pumped to containers easily placed within the area where truck access is available. The dredge sediment settles in the containers. The clean return water from the process is then piped back to the original dredging area. Every precaution is taken to protect any environmentally sensitive resource, especially aquatic life. If your canal, pond, or lake needs dredging, simply call American Underwater Services for a free dredging consultation. American Underwater Services, aquatic engineering done right.